Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography and videography with an exciting product, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. We found this fantastic drone, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a compact and lightweight drone that packs a powerful punch with its 4K camera capabilities. Weighing in at just under 249 grams, this drone is designed for ease of use and portability, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned pilots alike. Its small size means you can travel light and skip the registration process, allowing you to focus on enjoying your flying experience without the hassle of paperwork. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make the Mini 4 Pro a top choice. First up is its stunning 4K video recording at 60 frames per second. This means whether you're capturing breathtaking sunsets or dynamic outdoor adventures, your footage will be sharp, clear, and vibrant. The HDR capabilities allow for impressive highlights and shadows, giving your videos a professional touch right out of the box. Safety is paramount when flying, and the Mini 4 Pro excels in this area with its omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology. This feature allows the drone to detect obstacles in all directions, greatly reducing the risk of collisions and giving you the confidence to explore your surroundings safely. For beginners, this can be a game changer, as it allows you to focus on flying and capturing beautiful shots rather than worrying about crashing. One of the most impressive practical features of the Mini 4 Pro is its extended battery life, offering up to 34 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. This means you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about recharging. Additionally, the drone boasts a remarkable video transmission distance of up to 20 kilometers, allowing you to capture stunning views far beyond your immediate vicinity. For those looking to capture dynamic content, the DJI Mini 4 Pro also includes an Active Track 360 degrees feature. This allows for customizable intelligent tracking, meaning you can easily follow moving subjects or create complex shots with minimal effort. It's perfect for capturing action shots while biking, hiking, or even filming your friends during outdoor activities. If you want to enhance your flying experience even more, the Mini 4 Pro is compatible with DJI's goggles, providing an immersive first-person view (FPV) experience. This feature is ideal for those looking to take their flying to the next level, offering real-time aerial footage and allowing you to control the drone with intuitive hand movements. So, who is this drone suitable for? The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a fantastic choice for beginners looking to get into drone flying, thanks to its user-friendly design, safety features, and impressive video quality. It's also perfect for hobbyists, content creators, and travelers who want to capture stunning aerial footage without carrying heavy equipment. In practical terms, you can use the Mini 4 Pro for various applications, whether it's documenting your travels, creating stunning outdoor videos, or simply enjoying a day out with friends. This versatile drone is designed to help you explore and capture life from a new perspective. In summary, the DJI Mini 4 Pro blends portability, safety, and high-quality imaging into a single, easy-to-use package. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to enhance your aerial photography skills, this drone is a worthy addition to your toolkit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.